I have to do. Thank you, Petya. And the next one is Pavel Petri, who will give promising practices of RRI from Techmania.
Thank you. Good afternoon. My name is Pavel Petri, and I would like to introduce some examples of the best practice in the Czech Republic, the best scientific practice. However, first of all, I would like to say a few words about the conference which took place in the Techmania Science Center in Plzeň in October 2014. Despite of the fact that the definition of RI was introduced, I think. I'm sorry. Yeah. Thank you. Despite of the fact that the definition of RI was introduced, I think, in an appropriate way, the stakeholders who took part in the discussion were a little confused. They asked whether RI should be implemented into the processes or programs, and whether the responsibility should be the financial responsibility or the whether it should be the financial responsibility or scientific responsibility. But at the end of the meeting, and I'm glad that they told that we need to develop some RI tools and put them into the practice. For them, it's necessary to implement them. I'm sorry. They told also that we should implement the RI tools into the whole scientific process, from the beginning of the challenges through programs and processes to implementation of the results themselves. They also hoped that that RI could bring us less bureaucracy. This last point was a very important thing for them indeed. And now something completely different. I will start with the examples of the scientific practice. The first one, SpeechTech. The SpeechTech is the name of the company which collaborates with the main Czech TV broadcaster Česká Televize, the Czech Television, and also with the Department of Cybernetics at the University of the West Bohemia. The main aims of this project are to develop the high-quality voice recognition system and to create the closed captions for deafness and hard of hearing people into the live TV broadcasted programs in the Czech television. This project is able to support our effort to face aging society and increasing number of hard of hearing people. The developed voice recognition system was also used for writing down the memories and speeches of the people who survived Holocaust or Shoah, if you want. I would like to say another thing about this project, and it is that the students from the Department of Philosophy at the same university were involved in this project as the shadow speakers. Their task is to modify the utterance of the TV speakers into the appropriate way, appropriate form for the voice recognition system, and create so-called nice closed captions. And I would like to emphasize that there is a gender equality in the working team. The very important is also the feedback from the TV viewers, and therefore there was set up websites where the TV viewers can provide their feedback and also find the information what they need. I would like to emphasize that there is a collaboration among the University of West Bohemia, the company SpeechTech, and also with the main Czech TV broadcaster Česká Televize, Czech Television. And I think that if we want to put the RI tools into the practice, the thing which we really need is the cooperation. Next example, the second one is AGinfo. This project started in 2012. AGinfo is a commercial subject which cooperates with the Crop Research Institute and Czech Technology Agency, and also with the users. There had been a widespread market research before the project was started. And this project focuses on the agriculture in order to restrict the using of the pesticides. The new developed know-how is able to consider the economic efficiency of the using of the pesticides and the impacts of the pesticides on the environment. Both of these elements are expressed into the monetary figures. I would like to say that this system also uses the widespread database system. The company AGinfo supports its customers with the lecturing, counseling, and consultations. And the environmental protection is a very important topic for media, and therefore the media are interested in AGinfo. It is the eco-friendly project. The next one, ReStep. The main goals of this project are to create, develop, evaluate, test, and put into the practice a new comprehensive method for the urban management and regional planning. The main viewpoints of this project, ReStep, are an efficient utilization of the natural resources and the environmental protection. The advantages of the project are the ability to consider the specific condition in every area and a suitable analysis of the actual state of the renewable resources in the given locality. ReStep is the example how to take an advantage of the inventions and research. It's for the optimization of the using of the renewable resources. It focuses on environmental and the financial aspects, and especially on the energy safety. So the project brings us new possibilities how to for the creating of the energetic conceptions. Next one is SoMoPro. This project started in 2009. Thank you. The main aim of the South Moravian Programme from distinguished research is to create research opportunities and to support scientists in the South Moravian region. The SoMoPro is a regional grant project which is able to attract the researchers from abroad to make their research in the South Moravian region. This project is co-financed by Marie Curie Action, and it represents the regional analogy of the Marie Curie Fellowship. The project shows how to use the financial resources in an appropriate way, and what is hereby fruitful is the international science. And the last one is the methodological portal RVP. It was established as the main methodological support for teachers, and also in order to support the implementation of the national curriculum into the schools. Its purpose was also to create an environment where the teachers could inspire each other and share their experience, mainly about the topic how to teach. The portal provides, the main cooperating organizations are pilot schools and other institutions directly managed by Ministry of Education, and also non-government service providers. In this project, I think, is important education. Thank you very much for your attention.